G'day everyone, Alex here from Paperform, and today I'm excited to show you how you can generate an automatic or direct download link from a file using Dropbox. Now, I'm sure you're aware of what an automatic or direct download link is. You're on your browser, you select a particular link or maybe a call to action button, and your browser begins an automatic download of a file. Simple enough, right? But how can you create one of these links? And more specifically, one with a file that is housed on Dropbox. No matter if you're trying to share a digital product or merely share a file with friends or colleagues, the process is the same, and trust me, it is incredibly easy. Now, we know we can share files from Dropbox. However, if we share a link that we collect from Dropbox, that's going to redirect the recipient to our Dropbox. They'll then be prompted to select the file and download it, and we want to avoid this step. So how can we generate a direct download link? Well, we can head to our Dropbox account and navigate to your file that you want to share. I've got a video file, or more specifically an MP4 file. Now, that file is a video I created recently on how you can connect your Paperform account with your Dropbox account. And doing this will automatically upload files to your Dropbox once your form receives a new submission. So if you want to check that video up, be sure to. I've linked it in the top corner of this video as well as the description, because I'm sure you want to keep watching this. All right, so let's move on. Now, once you have navigated to the file you want to share, you'll need to select the More icon. Then select Share and Share with Dropbox. You'll then need to ensure your file is set so that anyone with this link can view, which by default it is. And once you've collected your link, it should look similar to this. Notice at the end of the link, we have the following characters: DL equals 0. Well, all we need to do is replace the value of 0 with the value of 1. And I'll do that. Now your link should look similar to this. Pretty simple, right? That's literally it. Now, you can create your own direct download link and share it with whomever. Place it on your web page or hyperlink it to text or maybe a call to action button. Here, I've created a simple landing page using Paperform, and this is where I house the video I mentioned earlier. However, I know a viewer may want to download the video to watch later in their own time. So I'm going to highlight the text here, download now, and paste the newly generated link. If I save this and head into the live view of my form or landing page and select the download now text, we can see that my browser starts that automatic downloading process. Easy, easy, easy. Now it's time for you to create your own direct download link. I told you it was simple, right? But even simpler, Paperform has actually created a direct download link generator specifically for Dropbox. And I'll link it to the description below. So all you need to do is copy the shareable link of your file, head to the generator, paste it into the box, and hit generate. Boom, how easy. Now, I hope this has been a helpful video. And if it has, be sure to hit that thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. And that's pretty much it. Good luck and have fun creating.